Good morning ka-friend chef. At today's video ay magluluto tayo ng creamy shrimp Alfredo pasta. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa ating munting kusina. Here are the ingredients. We have here 100 grams shrimp. Instead of Parmesan cheese, ang ginamit ko ay 1 cup na cheddar cheese, 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, 1 tablespoon butter. Meron tayo ditong celery. Meron tayong paprika. 500 grams linguine pasta. And meron tayo ditong dalawang all-purpose cream. Ayan. And gagamitin tayo ng cooking oil. And of course, salt and pepper. Okay, ka-friend chef, let's do the rock and roll. Friend chef, what we are going to do first is season lang natin yung shrimp natin ng paprika. Konti lang. Ayan. And then, lagyan natin ng konting salt. And pepper. Ayan. Mix lang natin very well. Chef, meron tayo ditong pot na may kumukulong tubig. So, ayan, nilagyan ko na siya ng 1 tablespoon na asin at saka 1 tablespoon na cooking oil. Okay, so lulutuin lang natin yung ating pasta. Ayan. So, constant stirring na siya ka-friend chef ng at least 10 to 12 minutes. Okay ka-friend chef, ayan na po, al dente na po yung ating pasta. So what we're going to do next is, i-drain lang natin yung water. Drain lang natin yung ating pasta. Ayan. To do next is lagyan natin ng margarine para hindi dumikit yung pasta natin. Okay, what we're going to do next ka-friend chef is maglalagay tayo ng konting cooking oil sa isang preheated wok. And then, ipiprito natin yung ating shrimp. Huwag natin i-overcrowd yung shrimp natin sa ating kawali ka-friend chef. Ipiprito natin siya in each side ng at least 2 minutes. So, ayan ka-friend chef, totoo na yung shrimp natin. Ayan, set aside na lang muna natin siya. Ayan. Friend chef, what we're going to do next, sa the same wok, dagdag tayo ng butter. And then, idagdag natin or isautay natin yung ating garlic. dagdag na rin natin yung ating onion. Saka yung ating cream. Yung ating all-purpose cream. Ayan na friendship, isi-simmer lang natin siya ng at least 2 to 3 minutes. At this point ka friendship, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating cheese. And then, tikman natin yung saltiness ng ating sauce. Tingnan natin kung okay na siya. Okay, dagdag tayo ng kunting asin ka friendship. Pepper. At this point ka friendship, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating pasta. Mainit siya, mainit. Idagdag pasta. Mainit mo na. Ayan. Mainit siya. Ouch! Ayan, mix lang natin very well ka friendship. Pwede na natin idagdag yung ating shrimp. Ayan. And then mix very well again. Ayan ka friendship, luto na yung ating ano bang tawag dito? Luto na yung ating creamy shrimp Alfredo pasta. So, ayan. Ready for serving na siya. Okay ka friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product. Yung ating creamy shrimp Alfredo pasta. So, ayan na siya ka friendship. Iga-garnish lang natin siya ng cheese sa itaas. In the sense na wala akong parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese yung ginamit ko. So, ayan. And then, dagdagan natin ng celery. Okay. So, ayan na po ka-friendship ang ating creamy shrimp Alfredo pasta. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang dish natin sa araw na ito. Kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Okay, once again, this is Toto Mira at your service. Always remember that stars can't shine without darkness. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.